Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So the equity calls I'm gonna recommend you to trade for tomorrow, which is on 12th November 2021, is the first one is Glenmark, second one is Hindalco, and third one is NTPC, and fourth one is IOC. So the first equity call I'm gonna suggest you to trade and keep in your watch list is Glenmark. So you can see the Glenmark chart in 30 minutes candlestick time frame. So this is the pattern. You can see this line which is at a resistance level, and there is a support, lower lows, and then there is this line which is forming in a sort of triangle pattern. So you can see the resistance level over here on 11th October, and there is again a resistance is formed at 529 on 8th November, which is 2-3 days back. And now there is a fall in this candlestick. You can see clearly. I'm gonna thinking up to over here, and there is a because here there are sellers who are pushing the price to below up to nearly 478, and you can also see the confirmations. This is the resistance level we thought, and then it respected that resistance level, and then there is a fall. You can see the red candles, and then there is a pullback of a little bit, and then again there is a fall. You can see there is a retracement over here, and then again there is a fall. This is what happening in this range. And then there was again here there are again confirmation of red candle, and I am thinking that and also the chart is showing that there will be a fall in this stock, particularly in Glenmark. So the fall would be approximately, you can estimate up to nearly 7%, which could be in 4 to 5 days, maximum 1 to 2 weeks. That's all. So I'm telling that for this is a good to trade in intraday, and also you can short it tomorrow at whenever the price shows, whenever the price over here and gives you a red candle confirmation, then you can short it and you can go long in shorting in this, and you can also keep stop loss of minimum above these candlesticks of 519. This would be a good risk reward for you. So like this you can keep up to here, but it may convert into a swing call. But for intraday you can keep it running for the entire day if possible. But if you get 2 to 3% in only 5 to 15 minutes, then you can please book the profits. If you get 2% in a single day, which could be good in intraday also. So this is the first equity call I'm gonna recommend you, and also going to the second equity call, that is Hindalco. You can see the Hindalco chart. I also suggested this call in today's back video. Same pattern, same triangle pattern, but there was no confirmation over here, and the stock was felled, and the stock was in a sideways movement over here, and then now I'm thinking that it's going to be a uptrend. You can see it's going to be uptrend, and if you get a confirmation of this candle above this line at 459 or 460.62, like that, if you get a green candlestick confirmation breaking this line tomorrow, then please do go long on it. For intraday, you can keep minimum target over here, which could be absolutely good, and then the stop loss would be same, but keep below these candles at 451. This is a 1:2 risk reward, and which could be also good. And for swing, the stop loss would be same, but the target would be huge, around near the target would be for swing traders 19%, and also the risk is minimum for swing traders. The risk is only 1%, where you can get 19% profit. This could be a 1:9 or 1:10 risk reward nearly. So the swing calls has good momentum, and you can also have good risk reward in swing trades. So this is my second equity call to recommend you for trade for tomorrow, which is on 12th November 2021. And going to the third equity call, which is NTPC. Yeah, you can see this sideways range. From 27th October it was in a sideways range. Yeah, coming to the support level and pullback, and nearly going to the resistance, and again came to the support level. Now it also gave a double confirmation over here, you can see. Now there is a good chance to break it out, and it has a good momentum to go upside. So this is a simple strategy at support and resistance level. This is the support level, this is the resistance level. The support level is at 134, and the resistance level is, the support level is at 134 and the resistance level is 141. So just buy at the support level and sell at the resistance level, or sell at the resistance level and buy at the support level. So that's how we can make a good profit in this. You can keep the stop loss below over here at 134 or 134.5, and you can keep a target of up to 141. So the risk reward would be, it already gave a momentum of 1.6%. The reward is nearly 5 points, and the risk is 0.4%. This is also a 1:5 1:6 risk reward ratio. So this is the second equity call I'm gonna suggest to you. And for intraday you can keep a target of up to 137 when you buy it 134 or something like that, and the stop loss would be same for intraday and swing. And going to IOC, the fourth equity call I'm gonna suggest you. So this is an interesting stock that I'm watching from past few days. You can see over here at 3rd November it was a huge green. There was a huge green candlesticks gone, and again there was a consolidation a bit of 8th to 10th November, and then there was a gap down opening over here of nearly 10 plus points, and then there was a retracement at the support level, and now it's time for its pullback. And also it gave confirmation over here. Just wait for the target. So this is also a support and resistance level strategy. So this is the resistance and this is the support level. So the support level would be good for it. The support level is good, and you can see the confirmation of double candlestick confirmation over here. So the going for the risk reward, please buy at 132 above. The reward would be, wait a sec, the reward would be 4.2%. If it breaks that, if it breaks the candle above 138, then the reward, your actual reward would be 8%. And also if this breaks out at and also if this break at 141, then you can go long on it, and this is also going to be a long term investment calls, which is because IOC is a good national company which is continuing since from, wait a sec, it's been, the stock is in stock market since 2000, like that. It's been nearly 21 years, and it's also good to invest, and it's also good to go long term on this stock, where you can easily get dividends, and those dividends will hugely cross your profits. So this is a buy call at over here, and you can keep a stop loss below this green candle. and you can, this is a stop loss, and the target would be as I explained. So these are the 4 equity calls I'm going to recommend you to trade on intraday, and particularly in swing, where in swing you can get good profits, and also intraday also would be same. But whenever you get 2% or more profits in intraday, then please book the profits at that time, at a time, no matter what the price is going to be, because in intraday if a stock goes to 2%, nearly 90% of stocks they retraces and pullbacks, and it consolidates a little bit, and there will be no use for you for making the momentum to your side. So whenever the price moves to 2% or above, please book the profits. That could be good for you and for your capital fund, and also it's gonna reward you huge. So going to the option chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, first one is Nifty. So the Nifty was in a downtrend today. Yeah, you can see the double confirmation, then there was a pullback, then there was a downfall over here, and over here there was a support level, and then there was a support level, and it pulled back. And the Nifty from past few days, it was in a support resistance level based, and yeah, you can see there, this is a support level resistance based. So if this level breaks, or in uptrend or downtrend, then only we have a good chance in momentum to go long or short on it. So this is a particular level we should have to wait for to break it out. If it breaks at high below 17,969, then we can go long, and if it breaks over here, then the reward would be low, as I explained in yesterday's video. So just wait for some more days for option buyers or option sellers. Option sellers has a good momentum, but compared to option buyers, they have a premium risk. So just wait for a good momentum to go on. And today was also not a bad day. Option buyers also made some huge amount today. So going to Bank Nifty, yeah, you can see today was a downfall, a total downfall of confirmation, gap down, and the stock nearly fell 500 to 600 points. And also the momentum is good today. It nearly went from, yeah, it nearly gave 1.2% nearly. So this was the support level we have been using from several days in our videos, and also it respected this support level over here, and it gave a double confirmation also. So I was anyone who are watching our videos, hoping that they made long over there by using a simple strategy of support level and resistance level. So hope you made some hope you entered a trade over here of making it long at the end of the day in the next week's expiry call up to over here. So the target would be same, yeah, the target would be up to over here, and the stop loss is below this support range up over here, where you can have nearly momentum of yeah, 958 points. That was a great momentum, and the risk is 254 points. This is a 1:3 risk reward, and it's going to be a huge for you. So hope you entered over there. So I'm also thinking that tomorrow will be a gap down or gap up, I don't know, but tomorrow it's gonna be end in a positive way, in a uptrend. So that's all I can say. This is my pre-market analysis on options and equity stocks that to trade for 12th November 2021. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please do smash the like button and comment what you liked, and please share it to your friends and family who are interested in stock market and want to know how to trade and how to learn it. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of investors and traders. And once again, thanks for watching this. Keep investing and trading.